Preparation for my school.
Good.
School.
Good.
School.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Welcome to Waiting.
So,
Because we have two perfume here, while choose one.
A.
Oh yeah. Kasi
while favorite color is red. So, that is his uniform.
The shoe.
Yeah, that
Wipe my
shoes.
shoe.
Ah?
Wipe my shoe.
Why? Yeah, perfume. So, thanks. Guys, while going to school na. You forgot your tumbler.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go now.
Ender. Yeah.
Are you excited?
Panga kuya. Ito.
Haan?
Ha?
Hi.
Ano?
Where are we going, Haan? School? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Just stretch a lot. Okay.
Now. Can you my run?
Where are we now?
I want this one. I want
Say good morning to the teacher, okay?
morning.
Good morning, teacher. Always greet your teachers. Hey, are you listening?
I want to play. I don't like class.
You don't like class? Why not?
I'm not.
You're naughty? Yes. Yeah, it's okay. What?
Can you my phone?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Playing dirty.
You're playing dirty? Playing dirty? Not. Let's go to your school na, your classroom.
Not.
Why? Why not? Hey.
Naughty. Naughty.
How?
Yeah. BP, dirty.
Ayaw ko.
Ayaw ko po.
Ayaw ko po. Look.
What's that?
Philippines. That's catcher.
Magbayang magiliw ka na.
Ha?
Magbayang magiliw ka na.
Wala.
And your teacher's calling you.
Bibigay daw si teacher sa'yo.
Ano wala teacher? Ayun na si teacher. Tumatang.
Wala daw teacher.
Wala mang teacher.
Ay, kukunin natin pala yung lapis. Yung paper mo. Ay,
So guys, ayaw po naman pumasok at naman daw po siya. So, we're just gonna wait here since ayun po yung room nila Wal. Yes. Okay. Room tour guys.
1 hour later.
Wow. Wow, what's that? What did you say to your teacher?
Thank you.
Thank you po. Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye. Ito. Ito.
Wait, what's this?
ano yan? Prize ni
Ano?
teacher.
No.
Family? Is that family? Wow.
I know.
Where? Dito daw dadan. Oh, magpaalam ka na kay teacher.
Say bye-bye, teacher.
Bukas. May pasok sila?
Di po second Sunday. Sige, popost ko po yung ano. Yung
Tuesday, akala kasi.
Family.
Friday.
Family daw.
Hey, Wael! Tuesday na lang, madam. O Monday.
Thank you po.
So guys, ako na siya. Kasi guys, ang routine po namin, every after class, bumibili po siya ng ice cream and some breads to eat. Yeah. Oh, don't run, my love. Come here.
Baby, bad baby. Magagalit si Titse.
Look, oh. Wait, show me your star. Wow.
Bili mo.
Pakuha mo siya pa ganyan. Pakuha
Wael.
Bili mo.
Bili daw. Hawakan mo muna.
Family.
Kasama mo siya, opo.
Wait, wait. Show me your stars. Like this.
Me.
Did you color that, Wael? Okay, let me hold this for you. Wow, this is so cute. So guys, on-child na kasi Wael. Then may dala pa sa wala ganito, family. What's on child? Yes.
Ate,
Yes?
can you my please bili yung kremi?
Okay, come.
Dali mo yung baby.
Dali. Paano natin? Ay,
O ano ba yun? Ipapinta ko, bagda ako. Ganyan pa rin. Ano ba yun? Sabi niya.
Family!
bye.
Where are you going, Wael?
I want book.
You want what?
Book.
Sa susunod, di, pag wala kayong pasok,
Can you
pag
buy
yata kayong kayo ng
me?
ratitude.
Ah.
Okay.
Wait, wait, wait.
I want creamy.
Ah.
I want creamy.
What do you want?
I know.
Yes, wait. Are you
Dito!
Come. Hey. Let's go.
It's so creamy.
Alam niya na guys, saan bibili? Yes. Alam niya na. Wait. Wait, wait. Wow.
Si John, tanong ka na kung may tupad lang. Tupad ka yan, ito sa Teton Boy.
Baka na.
Okay lang, try ka lang kung meron. At sabi mo, tupad lang.
Iwan this.
No, baby.
Ay, meron ba kayo? Sabi mo?
Iwan house. Oh.
Oo. Tupad pa yata eh. Ay, meron ba kayo? Sabi? Try ka sa ano barangay.
Daddy finger. Get a stick and daddy. No. Okay. Halfway. Pati ba yung song natin? Dapat daddy finger. Sir. Here, dito may pwesto.
Ay, wala.
Oh, last na. What's next?
Boss.
Who's that?
There.
Who's this?
It's baby.
Show. Di mo, ayan. Oh, mami na. Hanapin si mami.
Mommy.
Show it. Hindi nakaharap. Yan. Here I am, how do you do? Exercise, exercise.
Did you use cake for teacher?
No.
Why not?
Why asking you to escape from my teacher? Did you escape from your teacher? Yes, you did.
Look, it's... Can you eat my brain?
Ha? Bakit ko kain brain mo, baby?
Wala kang brain.
Wala akong brain? Di pa daw nakagalaw. Wala akong brain.
Wala.